Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to express one quantity as a percentage of another. Okay? I like to think of this, just to make it easier as myself, as a fraction first of all, and then put it into percentage. So if we thought, instead of saying percentage, this said fraction. Okay? So express 30 as a fraction of 50. Well, that's dead easy. We can just do 30 over 50. And then based on what we did yesterday, we just want to change it into percentage. Okay, so all I need to do is make the bottom number 100. So I'm going to times the top and bottom numbers both by 2. And that's going to make 60 over 100. And because it's over 100, that means it's 60%. Okay. Next one, express 13 as a percentage. So we say percentage, but think fraction. Okay, to start off with, we'll do 13 over 20. Now to change 13 over 20 to a percentage, we need to make the bottom number 100. So we'll do that by timesing 20 by 5. So we'll times 13 by 5. That gives us 65 over 100, which gives us 65%. Okay. Next one, express 6 as a percentage of 10. Again, instead of straight away thinking percentage, if we think fraction. Okay, this is even how I show it to my GCSE kids as well, guys. So 6 over 10. We'll multiply the top and bottom by 10 to make the bottom number 100, which gives us 60 over 100, which is 60%. Next, express 32 as a, let's go fraction again. That's 32 out of 40. Now, this time we're in a bit of bother, okay? You can't really multiply 40 by anything to make it 100. Well, you can, but it involves decimal numbers, and we don't want to do that. So let's even half the numbers. Let's divide them all by 2. See if that helps us. And that'll get us 16 over 20. Okay, well, we can do something with that, okay? We can then multiply these by 5, which will make 20 into 100, won't it? So 16 times 5 is 80 over 100, which gives us 80%. Okay. And last example, again, it says percentage, but we think fraction. So we're going to say 27 over 60. And again, we can't multiply 60 by anything to change it to 100, so let's try dividing. What can we divide both these numbers by? Well, 3 is a good one, so let's divide them both by 3. And that'll give us 9 over 20. Well, now that I've got over 20, I can times by 5. Which gives me 45 over 100, which is 45%. Okay, guys, and that is us for today. Okay, we've just changed all these numbers as a percentage of another. So what I'd like you to do today is, it's a couple of pages on from where you left off yesterday, and the title is Express One Quantity as a Percentage of Another. So that is going to be multiple choice. Okay. And then once you've done that, we're going to go to expressing as a percentage. It's a few pages on, and we're going to do questions 1 and questions 2. Okay? Good luck now, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.